Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, and in this video, you are about to discover exactly how I lost about 15 kg weight in less than 2 months without going to gym, without sacrificing much. So check this out.
Oh, thanks for this awesome video.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Bishal Sarkar. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that the next time a new video is uploaded, you watch it. And today we're talking about how to have great health, because one of the things I see most people struggle with is their health. It's like they have spent a lot of years gathering the success in their life, but right now they are when they look in the mirror, they think, oh, you know, this belly is going up, or when they look themselves in the mirror, they think, you know, I look very, very old, or they don't have the energy. So what can they do? So I'll tell you the biggest mistake most people do is when they are trying to lose weight or gain weight, or they want to take care of their health, they just randomly do what others are doing. So, oh, everybody's going to gym, I should go to gym. Or everybody's having green tea, I will have green tea. Or everybody's doing yoga, I'll do yoga. By the way, Shilpa Shetty is a very big inspiration for yoga for many men. Now, if you really want to change your health, and if you really transform your health, the solution for that is not to just do what others are doing, but to do and choose a fitness form that you enjoy. What I mean by form is, for example, gymming is a form. In gym, cardio is a form. Weightlifting is a form. Body weight training is a form. Running is a form. Yoga is a form. These are different forms of staying fit. So instead of just looking at the traditional way, which everybody's doing anyway, and if it works out for you, awesome, thumbs up, thumbs up. But I realized that I didn't like gymming a lot. For example, you know, I joined gym many times in my year. I never enjoyed that. So what I did when I really got very serious about losing weight and really serious about, you know, decreasing the tummy size and having more energy, is I chose some forms of fitness that I really enjoyed. Whether it was walking, some form of jogging, you know, I practice something called Tai Chi, which is and Qigong, which are very ancient Chinese form of staying fit. And by using that, I saw a dramatic change in how present I became in my mind, my feeling, and of course the result showed up in my body. And it was not painful. It was not, I didn't have to suffer myself by going to the gym, because I never liked the gym. And people who, again, I hope you understand, I'm not against gym. If you really like and enjoy going to the gym, do it. But most people don't. Most people, it's struggling for them. So find a form that suits you and then double down on that. And that's how I did that. And by the way, this is just the exercise part of it. There is nutrition you got to take care of, the proper amount of water, the rest, and many people, you know, are experts in that. For example, Anupama, many of you know, is a very world-class nutritionist. She is certified, she is world-class, she has a lot of clients, a lot of people that has worked with her. And many of the people who are in Balanced Life Mastermind, they consult with Anupama before changing their diet right now, because Anupama provides her consulting inside the Balanced Life Mastermind only for the health and nutrition, which is her area of expertise. And this is something that I'm proud of. So if you really want to change your life, you know, find a form that suits you and then double down on that. If it's Qigong, go for it. If it's Tai Chi, go for it. If it's yoga, go for it. If it's swimming, go for it. But find out what you like instead of doing what others are doing, right? I hope that makes sense. And if you want to know more about the Confident Speaker Conference, where we show you exactly how to become a confident speaker, so that the stage fear that you have, we throw it out of the window. If you really want that, call us on the number right here and join the Confident Speaker Conference, which is our practical public speaking course. I hope that helps you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.
I'm a man on a